Hello everyone, Rhino Dynamite here, and we're back with another brand new train set. This time, it's a real popular set called Challenger. And believe it or not, this train set has been around for a long time, and it's been discontinued various times. And this is the latest version, and believe it or not, Bachmann just recently discontinued it. But I'm glad I finally got it. And if we go over here, here's everything that comes with it. Let's take a look over here. There's the engine and the rolling stock. Here we have a hopper car with a coal load. A nice little gondola. And a very well detailed caboose. Very well detailed indeed. And of course, here's the engine itself. An EMD F9 diesel locomotive. Union Pacific, number 1206. Of course, the headlight turns on when the engine moves, and it gets brighter when you go faster. There's the Union Pacific winged logo. Now, on the old versions of this set, the engine's front is completely blank. I'm glad I got this version. And this engine is very well detailed, and it runs very, very smooth. It even had a Canadian version. It was painted in Canadian red and black and white. Now, what do you say we get her running? Take the controller right here. And here we go. Full speed. Very smooth running. And that light is indeed very bright. That was very nice, and it ran very smooth. I'm really glad I got this version of the set, especially like I said earlier that Bachmann recently discontinued it again. It's a good addition to my collection, and I really hope you all enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time when I'll have another brand new train set to review. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Rhino Dynamite out.